We said geometry we are studying shapes, geometrical objects. And the most basic of them are what we call points. We say points are to geometry as cells are to life. Points are to geometry as cells are to biology. So they are the most basic. If you disintegrate, you will see points. Now, between any 2 points, no matter how close they are, you can draw a line. So the joining, a movement from one point to the other in a straight fashion defines a line. And so lines become the next level of complexity from points. Now, if two lines meet, an angle is formed. If you're in a plane, you can have lines that will not meet or lines that meet. Those that will not meet, it means they are going in the same direction in the plane. We say they are parallel. If they meet, an angle is formed. An angle then becomes the next complex plane shape. So points, lines, angles. An angle is an open shape. Angles are formed between two lines. And the meeting point of the lines is called the vertex of the angle. And the measurement of the angle has to do with the extent to which you have to rotate one of the arms to the other. We say the size of the angle is not about the area swept in the rotation, but it's about the extent of rotation. If you have an angle with longer arms, you are going to sweep a bigger area. We illustrated that. You are going to sweep a bigger area. You are going to sweep a bigger area. If you have shorter arms, you sweep a smaller area. That does not mean that this angle is bigger than this angle. It's about the extent of rotation. That's how. The units of measurement are degrees and radian. But I didn't do any work on the degree radian conversion. I'm reserving that for trigonometry. Then we said that, so extent of rotation from one arm to the other. So if an arm is rotated from its original position back there, that is a complete revolution, 1/10. Such extent is designated 360 degrees. And I made a point that it is by convention, not by experiment. The number 360 was chosen, and I believe because it has a fairly large number of factors. 360 degrees, 360 has 24 factors. So half of that is what happens if you start from the arm and you get to a point which is directly opposite where this arm ends. That's what happens. That is describing a semicircle. So if the full is 360 degrees, half of that has no option than to be 180 degrees. And it's like, it's just moving from one end of a line to the other end of the line. So such angles are prostrate.
Like and subscribe.